Today I'm going to show you how to make a t-shirt mockup with Canva.com. You can sign up for free. Our first step is to go up to the top right corner and click on Create a Design. Then we're going to scroll down until we see Edit Photo. And click on that. And we're going to find our mockup image on our computer. Mine is called White T-shirt Mockup. Now we're going to click Upload. Okay, there's our image, and we want to use this in a design. So we're going to click on right here in the top right corner, Use in a Design. Next, we need to go over to Uploads over here on the left. And now we need to upload our t-shirt design. So we'll click Upload Files. Find our t-shirt design. So I will upload that. Go ahead and click on that. It will pop up over here in our design. So now we just need to bring in the corners to make it fit on our shirt. Okay, that looks good. Now we just need to go up to this little checkerboard icon. It's called Transparency. Click on that and we'll see a little slider. We want to slide that down till about 90. And that's just to make our design look more like it's printed on the shirt. And you can adjust this with other designs. You can go farther down, but I usually like to keep it around 90. We can go up here and name our design. I'll go ahead and name it White T-shirt Design. Then we'll go over here to the top right corner to Share. And you scroll down until you see Download. And a PNG file is suggested here, but you can also select other file types. I'm going to go ahead and select JPEG, and then you just go down here and click Download. It automatically downloads to your Downloads folder on your computer.